the Crio will provide me the best resources possible out there. But the thing was like I also have to give my best. So like I draw my lines, like what I have to do, what are my expectations. My name is Yash Dilip Lakade. I am from the Dhule, which is a city in Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelors of Technology degree in Computer Engineering. Currently, I am a Associate Software Engineer at Webileapps. I am working there as a Backend Engineer. Becoming the Crio alumni, it feels really proud to me, like 2 to 3 opportunities in a just a short period time of 6 months only. When I thought about Crio, so the most important point for me was, first point was the structured way of learning. Then the second point was the excellent mentor. Like I knew the mentor are here are like they are actually working in the industry. So it won't be like the faculty of our colleges where they don't have the actual industry experience. But in here in Crio, the mentors are like working in the industry. So like they had the idea about the current trends and technologies out there. So that was a second point. And the third point was I knew that there will be a peer around me who will be as much excited as I will be. The fourth one was every person from the Crio team. Everyone was really helpful. Like when I was talking with them for the first time, like they were like really friendlier, and every person from Crio team, like they were like really helpful. They were like really nice to me, just not to me, to everyone. So that was also one of the key point which I got from the Crio personally. Two mentors was like really close to me. They were like just friends to me. Like I got to learn a lot of things from them, not just about technology part. Yes, they were like the tech giants, you can say. Like they were best at their field. So like I got to know lot of things about from them about the technology, but not just about tools and technologies. I got to learn more than just technical things from there, like the way they used to interact with every person out there. There was like, suppose there are 30%, then the mentor used to try to talk with every person out there. They used to try to solve the problems which anyone could have. That was really great experience for me. I remember the most important thing is to like set your goals properly. Crio is providing everything. So like if we follow the resources provided by them, the guidance provided by Crio person, then yeah, it would be really easy for us to grab the opportunity. And also by that side, the plan is totally structured. The sprint plan or the sprint sequence is like well structured. So one should want to get the best out of it. We should stick to the plans only.